Now, sales were strongest in the Northeast with an 86% annual jump, and in Florida, where sales popped 84%. California did see gains, but it was the laggard, and those sales are allowing builders to raise prices. About 57% of those surveyed said they had bumped prices higher. Only again in California did prices pull back some. Now, this is in line with a June sales report from Taylor Morrison last week. The Arizona-based public home builder reported a 94% annual jump in June sales to a record pace. CEO Cheryl Palmer said buyers are looking for new, high-tech homes with more individual rooms to allow for home office and, of course, homeschooling. Several big builders will be reporting earnings in the next few weeks. The issue for builders going forward, though, is how to meet all this new demand. Lack of land and actively selling communities will keep starts from accelerating, and social distancing slows work pace. So it's hard to start new communities because land acquisitions were put on hold and some jurisdictions are not back to their normal staffing. Andrew.
Hey, Diana, how much of this do you think is being driven by COVID, this idea that people want to build a new home, create spaces for distance learning in schools and all of these sort of new things we talk about? Or do you think that this was just pent-up demand from before?
I think it's part of it is pent-up demand. Part of it is the fact that we have such a low supply of existing homes for sale. But the builders are saying a lot of it is people wanting to get the new high-tech homes, get more space for homeschooling, home office, et cetera, and also looking to get outside of cities, which is where builders are mostly present. So they're moving farther out, farther away from inner cities. And again, it's also a lot easier to tour a newly built home or even to go to a model or tour it virtually because everything is exactly the same. Getting into an existing home is harder now because of social distancing. It's just much easier to go new.
Okay. Diana, look, thanks. Looks like how many bedrooms do you think that house is behind you?
You know, we were just talking about it. It's very well laid out, though. I would say 4 or 5 at least, and a basement, because you're in D.C., everybody's got a basement.